Hey guys, it's SterlingW. We're going to do a 5-year review of our Pfister Universal Bath and Shower Kit that we bought. This is a pretty awesome kit, and what it does is it changes the trim of your shower. It also comes with a new shower head, a new spout for your tub, as well as a control handle and the control trim piece. Now, I say trim piece because this is all trim. There's no valve that comes with it, so mainly you're changing the look and feel of your bathroom almost immediately. It comes in chrome, gold, brushed nickel in different colors now, but we picked the chrome one because we bought a lot of new chrome faucets and stuff for the bathroom, and we slowly changed out a lot of stuff. It does also come with a shower head that was chrome, but we decided to keep our handheld shower head. Now, changing it out is very easy. There's one screw that actually holds the handle on. There's two screws that hold that trim piece on for the controls valve, as well as the tub spout. Just screws right on in. I love the fact that it has a little bumper on there, that little rubber bumper that keeps it from slamming down. I think it makes less noise. Very, very awesome. The trim piece for the entire thing is very, very easy to install. We did this in less than 15 or 20 minutes, and it completely modernizes your bathroom without having to break apart tile or do any weird stuff to your thing. It's very quick. It's basically you screw it on and screw it off. Now, of course, we kept a handheld shower because we love handheld showers more. But like I said, very, very good quality stuff, and it'll last for years. If you want to change it out in a few years to a different style, you totally could. It's extremely easy to do though. So anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this long-term review was good, helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.